Why am I gonna start crying?
We're tearing out the garden today.
So sad. Are you sad?
Kind of.
No more tomatoes? Those are your favorite, huh?
No.
But we have to tear out the garden because it is just dying. Everything's dying. It's exciting because we get to plant new stuff, right? We have a bunch of seeds from Haas. Thank you very much. All right,
Let's get started.
let's get started. Here we go.
I haven't even eaten breakfast.
Go start pulling.
Wait, what? Good grief.
No, let's go eat breakfast and then we'll start pulling out. And if you want to see the reality of our crazy garden,
There it is.
it's disgusting. It's so dead. Honestly, we haven't done anything with it for a little while and that makes me sad. But over here is the letter from our sunflower patch over here. Our peppers. Our chickens keep getting into the garden because we took down some of the electric fencing to move some dirt. Our blueberries, the water stopped working, like the hookup wasn't connected. So anyway, they're dying. Real life, people. Well, these guys are just jamming when we're like getting ready to rip them out. At first, they weren't producing as well, but I threatened to tear them out and they started producing. These are Scarlette runner beans. They're really pretty for trellising, but it's dying, so.
So if your plants aren't working, threaten them with the chopping.
With the machete.
Machete.
These guys are doing okay. Too much lavender over there. We have our herbs, but everything's dying. Like everything's death. Probably take these all out and then we'll probably burn it. We're just gonna go ahead and revamp it.
There's corn on it.
Ooh.
Rip it.
Our corn is so sad this year.
Poor corn.
Ha ha ha. You're so silly. Go feed that to the pigs.
Piggies, oh piggies!
What are you doing?
I love the smell of this.
It's lavender. You love the smell of it?
Mm-hmm.
It smells good, huh? Ooh, now you're gonna go to sleep. It's so good. Yeah. Whew. So I put my sweatshirt on. It's chilly this morning. Holy moly, somebody found a secret laying spot. Oh, sneaky chickens. Kristen, look at all those eggs down there.
I think they're
There's
gonna
the blue ones and then there's those ones. I don't think so. Nobody's laying on them. Guys, this is what they look like when they're all dried out. Kind of cool. And then these, you just kind of wiggle them. And then pop them out. Easy peasy. Marigolds. Easy. guys, these are some of the things we're going to be planting today. We want to do cauliflower and broccoli and more cauliflower. Go set up the grow light. You don't need an expensive grow light. Compliments of Cog Hill and his wonderful video. Go check that out. We're just gonna go pop those in under the lights and then they'll get growing and we'll be good to go. Then we can plant our garden. Things like carrots, just because of their root system, we're gonna go ahead and just directly plant them into the beds. We don't want to mess up the root structure because when you pull them out of the trays, then they can get broken and then your carrots are done. Let's go. My animals are being super loud, so here we go. Alright guys, once they're big enough and tall enough, usually 3 to 5 inches, then we'll go ahead and plant them into the beds. Thanks for watching us rip up the garden today. We appreciate you guys following us along in our journey as we homestead. Get out there and grow something. Do it. You'll love it. It'll make you love the dirt. Thanks guys for watching. We'll check you next time.